Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Eternal Voyager from Season 10 Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the neck area first. So we're going to draw kind of the collar, the bottom of the helmet right here. So we're just going to draw one curve across, just a slight curve. And then from there, we'll just give it some thickness, so just come down. And then we'll curve it all the way around. Same curve. Alright, so once we have this, now we can draw in the helmet itself. So for the helmet, it's kind of like a circle, but it's a little bit flatter on the top. So an easier way to draw it would be just kind of start on the bottom. Just kind of draw like a bracket on both ends first. And then once you have that, we're just gonna curve it and finish off the top. And these kind of shapes are always hard to draw, so you can use pencil first, just to rough in some of the lines so we can get it a little bit more accurate. Alright, so once you have the head shape, let's draw in the headphones on the side. So we're just gonna come right around right here, just draw two lines going out, and then just close it off. So this one's nice and easy. And then whatever you have here, just go across. Make a little dot and then draw the same thing, just go out and close it off. And then for the details, let's just add in one line in the middle, so this part's gonna glow. And then we're just gonna draw one curve all the way around to finish off the headset. Okay, and then for some details in here, just gonna draw in a little rectangle right on the bottom. So this part's gonna glow too. So this is gonna be the tier 1 head, and I'll draw the tier 2 after I finish the body because it's pretty much the same thing, but it just has a little bit more detail inside. Alright, so let's just continue on with this tier 1. So for the collar, let's go to the side here, nice and wide. And then from here, we just curve it all the way around. Just one big curve. And then we can add in some lines for some folds. Just follow the curve. Alright, so now we can work on the body. So right here, this is going to be a shoulder. We'll slant it out nice and wide. And then we're going to pinch it all the way into his waist. And we're going to pass that to draw in his belt, so just come down straight. And then from here, just come in with a slant. Okay, and then let's finish up the, the belt area right here. So just go up. And then whatever you have here, same slant on the bottom, just go back out. And let's just add a few lines in here. And that'll be a good stopping point. And then we'll go back up here. Alright, so let's go back up here, and for the, here's his armpit right here. It's got a little strap, so I'm just gonna start right here. Just come down right to the armpit area. And then the strap kind of goes up a little bit, so let's just add like a little rectangle in the corner. Alright, so for the pattern, let's draw in the arms first, and then we can draw in the details on the body. So again, here's the armpit. So we come back here for his shoulders. We just kind of go straight down, go to the armpit, come straight down, and then for the elbow area, there's some kind of be some creasing. So I'm just gonna add like a little bracket like this. And then for the lower arm, we just extend it and close it off early. Okay, so let's draw on the other side first. So here's the armpit. Shoulder coming down, just come slant down, use the other side for reference. Come back to the middle here, the armpit, come down. And then again, just add like a little angle bracket. Okay, so come down. And then close it off. Alright, so now we can draw in the gloves. So right here, just come in a little bit and just go down and close it off with a slant. So this is going to be his wrist. Okay, Okay, and then for his hand, here's his thumb. Just curve it down like this, and then curve it back up. It's gonna be a little bit rounder. And then for the inside of the palm here, just add a little slant like this. And here's the back of the palm. Come down. And then now for the other fingers, just curve this out. And then come back and just kind of close everything off. Alright, so that's one finger, and let's add a little bit of a tip on the other fingers on the back. Alright, and then let's just add in one line here just to finish that out. So that's gonna be kind of like the green glowing color. Alright, so let's draw the other side. So same thing here, just kind of come in, come down and close it with a slant. And for his hand, his thumb, come out, curve, come back up, and then inside the palm, slant. Back of the palm, just come down, and then we just curl it for the finger, come back, close it. So it's like a little claw. And then for the other fingers, just one here. And then same detail here. Alright, so now let's add in some of the details, some very cool designs up here. So right here in the middle, we just draw almost like a bar coming down first. And then we'll continue that, just give a little bit space. And just go all the way down to the belt area. So just leave that empty. Alright, and then from there, just kind of go in and then close it with a vertical line. Well, I guess it would be going out. Okay, so just go and then close it off. Alright, so once we have this line inside, we're going to draw the other one, just kind of following it along. Just follow that line, go all the way around. Make it into a bar. Okay, and lastly here, just slant right out to the shoulders. Same thing here, just go up. Then slant. Okay, and then we're gonna see a little bit of this bar right here. So just come out and just go up. So a little triangle in the very corner right here. Alright, very cool design, and let's move on to the legs. So his legs a little bit strange down here. It's kind of curving this way. So just come down to the middle. Let's draw like a slight curve going this way. Back to the middle. One little extra fold. Okay, now for the thigh area right here on the side, just kind of come straight down. Slight slant. It's a little bit tighter. Come back here to the middle. Okay, so just kind of taper in a little bit. So his knee's gonna be right here. Okay, so same thing here. Just come down and then taper in. Here's the middle, just come over a little bit. Down, taper. Guess I should make this one a little bit longer too. Okay, so his knee's right here. We're just gonna continue on with the leg. So just come back up here. Flare out. And then close it off. Okay, so same thing here. Come down, this one's kind of slant a little bit more. And then just close it off. Alright, and then for his boot, it's easy. We just come down. We can close it off first. Then we're gonna draw the dome shape. Curve. Just come out a little bit more on this side. Close it. And one little section for the sole. Okay, so same thing here. Come down, close it. Just use the other side for reference. Dome shape coming down. Come out more on this side. Close it. Okay, and then we can add in a little bit more detail if you want. We just add in one line right here on the boot. And he's got another glowing bar right here. So I'm just gonna draw one curve. And then once you have that, just go up. And same curve on the top. Okay, so same thing here. Slight curve. Let's go up. Close it off. Alright, and then lastly right here, it's got this bar is going to continue, so whatever space you have here, you can come down here, and then we'll just slant it out. And then other line here to give it the full bar. Okay, so come down here, slant out, same thing here. Alright, so that is the tier 1. So for tier 2, everything else is, well, the color's a little bit different, but I mean the overall design is the same. So if you want to draw the tier 2, we'll just come back up here and finish up the head then. Alright, so let's add in the details for tier 2. So we're going to start right on the bottom here. Just draw like a little block right in the middle. And then next to it, just draw 2 lines going up. And then for this corner here, we're going to slant all the way here to the middle. Kind of middle of the whole sphere here. Okay, so we just slant it out. Alright, and then for the eyes, it's a little bit strange. So we're just going to draw 2 long slants. That's going to be on the bottom. And then we'll just go up and turn it into a bar. Okay, so those are his eyes, and then lastly for the details up here. So right in the center, I'm going to add in one little rectangle, or I mean triangle. And then for the design here, just come down at the same angle here. And then now we're going to curve all the way around. Okay, right around here and just go out. So this part's going to be kind of the green glowing color again. So curve out. And go out. And that is it for this version of the Eternal Voyager. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.